Alright guys, what's up? Back at the river today, me and Collin. My dad's already ran ahead. He's already eager to get out in the water. Probably gonna steal our spot. Got Collin out here today. He's gonna try to catch his first fish out of the river because he's never caught one before.
Yeah, I've been out here like 10 times probably, and I've never caught one. You know, Noah's the trout master, so hopefully we get it done.
Yep, well, I'll get back to you when we're at the water. What are the odds he falls down? 1 through 10, let's see.
I think someone's for the rope.
Yeah. Oh, you made it. Alright, my dad's got one down there. Come on, get this out of the water. You can just let it swim there. Out of all people, wow. Don't let it get between the trees. Watch out for the trees. What is it? Oh, nice. There we go. First fish of the day.
Hey Alberto, this is for you, brother.
There.
There you go. Dad's on the
Dad's
boat
beating me
first
again today.
Hey Colin, it's all in the wrist and the drift. I'll come show you later. Caught it, let it go. Got stuck in the net with this, but I'm glad he got away.
Yep, the spinner got stuck in the net. I tried to pull it out, but the fish just jumped right out of the net. So let's go get another one.
It still counts, guys.
Alright guys, my dad just caught one off a spinner. Right now I'm just throwing 10mm bead and the jig I tied last night. So let's try to do a couple drifts on this and see if we can catch any. No. I've got one. Run down that way a little. Reel to it, reel to it. Yeah, just keep walking. All right, here. Get right in front of your bob. Yes, this is Collin's first fish at the river. It's like a fresh steelie. Come on, let's get it. Oh, that's a good one. She's not done yet. That's a good one. Oh! Oh yeah! Nice.
Thank you.
Sweet. That was on the jig I just gave Collin too.
Yeah.
Nice chrome hen. You guys better look at this one.
He hit you pretty hard?
Yeah, well, I just seen the bobber. I thought, well, I honestly was just reeling back to get the...
Here's a good look at it
like at the end of
before I...
Nice, very nice.
Alright, hopefully this one doesn't jump out of the net like the last one I had.
Oh, you want to take a picture?
You got it.
There she goes.
Finally,
Collin.
let's go.
First one for him at the river.
Yes, it does. Thank you.
Boom, fish bump.
Don't forget toad, not frog.
Boom, boom.
Wow.
Alright. Dad's got another one on. Let's go. Oh, look at that little jag. He landed it himself.
right jumping right on spot.
Yeah.
He's a small little guy, but boy, he's got a lot of fight in him. I think I can grab him that time.
Alright guys, that was a nice chroma my dad caught right here. Little jack though. We don't discriminate against size.
He's a feisty one. Let's get him in.
No, that's fine.
Nope.
There we go, guys. Let's get him in the water. Ready, Noah? He's gonna. He don't want to
Shot
be around
right
here.
off. Nice one.
Whew, 2 for 2.
Yep. Alright guys, at that spot, my dad caught 2. Collin caught 1. I'm still at 0. So let's head off to the second spot and let's see what we can catch there. Alright guys, spot number 2. Starting off with a little jig right here. See if we could hit anything on it.
Good day out there today, guys. I caught 2. Collin caught 1. I'll let Noah tell you what he caught.
I guess Alberto was right. If you're watching this, Alberto, some days I do take L's. So yeah, there's that. Collin back there, he caught his first steelhead out of the river.
Finally, it was a good day today, and we had some fun in the nice weather.
Yep. So hopefully we get some more good days out at the river this year. So I'll get back to you in the next video. Come on, old man, get up there.
Well, I know this isn't going to be on your video.
Made it.
I sure did. Barely.